Hello everyone, this is Sir Abdur Rehman. In this video, I'm going to give techniques how to attempt O-level past papers questions October November 2021 of all the variants for the from the topic sets. We are in the so there are two papers I'm going to discuss here. Were 402412 paper 1 variant 2 October November 2021 and 4024 paper 1 variant 1 October November 2021 question number 19 here. So let's start here. In this question, universal set is given the 1 till 12. The set X is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and set Y is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In part 1, find X intersection Y. X intersection Y. This is the symbol of intersection. What is the meaning of intersection? So intersection is the intersection X intersection Y is the set which have all common elements of set X and set Y. Set X and set Y. So X and Y, observe the common elements in the set X and Y. There are this is 2 is common, 3 is common, and 5 is common here. So I'm going to mark this 2, 2, 3 common, 5 and 5. So here are three elements 2, 3, and 5 for X intersection Y. It's a 1 mark question here. Now in the second part, a number k is chosen at random from the universal set. So universal set is 1 till 12. There are 12 elements in the universal set here, and we have to choose a number k and find the probability that k is not the element of X union Y. What is the symbol? This symbol is denoted by not the element. So note down please. This is the symbol for is not the element of. So k is a number which is not the element of X union Y. So first we have to find X union Y, and you should know what is the meaning of union. So union means unite, or we can say X union Y is the set which have all uncommon and common elements. Uncommon and common elements. Uncommon and common elements of the set X and Y. So in part 1, we have marked the common elements of set X and Y in the set X and Y. So uncommon elements are 1, 7, 11, 4, and 6. So going to write first X union Y. X union Y is the set of common and uncommon element of set X and Y. So common and uncommon elements are 1 is uncommon, 1, 2, 3, 5 are common. Sorry, 2, 3 common. 4 is not the common element. Get 4, 4, then 5 is common element. Then 6 uncommon, 7 uncommon, and 11 uncommon. So Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 11. There are 8 elements of X union Y. So read question again. Find the probability that K is not the element of X union Y here. And we have to take the value, and you have to choose K from universal. It means look at the universal set, which are not the element of X union Y. So if I if you observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are the elements of universal, and both the elements are X union Y, but 8, 8, 9, 10, and 12. There are 4 elements which are not existing in the X union Y here. So there are 4 elements out of 12. So what is the formula of probability? You will find in the upcoming videos, the topic of probability. So in the meantime, I'm going to write the formula for probability here. Find the probability. So probability equals to total outcomes denominator and numerator favorable outcomes. Total favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. So you have to find the probability for K, and K is chosen from universal. So total outcomes of universal are 1 till 12. 12 are the total outcomes here. Sorry, 12. And a favorable outcome, because K is not the element of X union Y. So there are 4 values of K, 8, 9, 10, and 12. There are 4. So I'm going to write 4 here. And for the safe side, you have to write the probability in the simplest form. And the simplified 1 over 3 is the answer, or we can say 4 over 12. In the marking scheme, 4 over 12 is given here. So it is better to write in the simplest form. Now in part B. In the part B, on the Venn diagram, shade the set A intersection B union C complement, and I have uploaded the video how to shade the given set with simple tricks. So the simple trick is give random numbers for each area. So suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 here. Now find out all the sets one by one. So B union C complement. B union C complement, as I explained, this is this symbol, this prime is complement, means not, means without B union C. B union C complements, B union C complements means universal minus B union C, or you can say B union C complement means without B union C. Without B union C. So without B union C, so B union C complement is are the without B union C, these are 5 and 8, because it is not these numbers are not existing in B and C here. So beyond the first B A intersection, first find out B union C complement, which are 5 and 8 without B union C. And set A is 1, 3. Set A in the set A. Set A is 1, 3, 4, and 5. Set A is 1, 3, 4, 5. And a common element. So we have to find A intersection, B union C complement. This is a rough working. rough working, or you can in the answer space you can present the answer space. No issue. Intersection, intersection means common elements of these two sets. So the common elements is 5. 5 is the common, but we have to shade. We have to shade the this set. So the region 5, you have to shade the region 5. This is the region you have shade, but before this, we have to remove all the numbers in the diagram from the diagram. And 5, this region we have to shade 5 region. So now the requirement is fulfilled. Shade this. So this is the answer to this. It was 1 mark question, and by putting random numbers in the diagram, it is a very easy method, and you can shade all the different all type of this method here. So this question has been completed. Question number 19 has been completed here. Now, question number. Now move on the next variant. Next variant is 4024, paper 1 variant, 2, October, November 2021. 4024, paper 1 variant 2, 2021 of question number 25. In this question, 40 students can take part in 3 activities: art, denoted by A, dancing, denoted by D, and gardening, denoted by G here. 5 do not take part in any of the activities. 12 do art only. 4 do dancing and gardening, but not art. 1 student does all 3 activities. And you have to complete the Venn diagram. So this is the Venn diagram here. A is for art, B for dancing, and G for gardening. So 5 do not take part in any of the activities. So 5 is beyond these 3 sets, A, D, and G. I'm going to write, I'm going to put the 5 students, 5 number of students, 5 number of students here. 12 do art only. So be careful. A for art. This is the region for only. So 12 do art. So going to write 12 here. 4 do dancing and gardening, but not art. So dancing and gardening, the region dancing and gardening. This is the region for dancing and gardening. This region is dancing and gardening region here. But this region is dancing, gardening, and art. And this region is dancing, gardening, but not art. This is our dancing, gardening, but not art. So going to write 4 here, because 4 do dancing, gardening, but not art. So 4, write on 4 here. 1 student does all 3 activities. This is the common region for all 3 activities. So only 1 student does all 3 activities. We have to write 1 here. Now, this Venn diagram has been completed, and inshallah, you will get 2 marks. Now, part B. Move on, part B. In part B, on the Venn diagram, the ratio X, ratio to Y to Z equals to 1, 2, 2, 2, 3 here. So find the values of each of X, Y, and Z. So what will you do? You have to find how many students are there. How many students are there? So look at the question. There are 40 students. 40 students are there. So the first step is find out the sum of X, Y, and Z. How do we find the sum of X, Y, and Z? By adding all the number of students, 5 plus 12 plus 0 plus 1 plus x plus y plus 4 plus z equals to 40. So now you will find x 12 and 5 is 17, 18, and 4, 22 here. So x plus y plus z equals to 40 minus 24 or 22. 40 minus 22, which will be 18, equals to 18 here. Now the sum of x plus y z is the 18 here, and the ratio is so how to find this x for x, and the ratio we note down for ratio method. Ratio, corresponding ratio divided by sum of ratio multiply by total. So the total is 18 here. Total number of students are total of x plus y. This is the total. Total of x plus y plus z equals to 18 here. So this value will be 18. We have to write 18 here for x, 18 multiplied by corresponding ratio or sum of ratio. This is the corresponding ratio. Sorry, corresponding. The corresponding ratio of x is 1, and the sum of ratio is 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3 is 6 here. Sum of ratio is 6, corresponding ratio for x. So the value of x will be 6 on the 6 is a 3 is the value for x. Don't forget to write x, value of x. In the same way, find out the y. So for y, sum of ratio is 6, corresponding ratio of y is 2, and the total was 18. So 6 1 the 6, 6 is the 18, 3 to the 6 is the value of y. In the same way, find out z. Corresponding ratio was 3. 6 is the total sum of the ratio into total is 18 equals to 6 1 the 6 is the 18, 9. So 3, 6, 9 are the values for x, y, and z here. This is a 3-mark question, I think. Yes. Now move on the next part. In the next part is on the subset. Okay, subset. What is subset here? Subset. Basically, subset is the part of the set. So this is a set A, suppose. So we can say this part is the subset, this part is the subset, and this part is the subset for X here, for A, set A here. On one subset in the Venn diagram in part A has no students. So look at the diagram. Look at the diagram here. One subset. So in part A has no students. These are subsets. So yes, zero students here. This is 0 students. 0 student here. Use set notation to describe this subset. So we have to describe this subset, this region. We have to describe this. We have to describe this region. So to describe this region, you have to some note here. There's some note. So if there are 3 sets here, suppose if there are 3 sets, in this case, set A, set art, dancing, and gardening. Art, dancing, and gardening here. Now, So this region is A intersection D intersection G. But as you are watching this, this is beyond D and G here. This region is beyond D and G. So complement, write down complement D and G. Sorry, D and G. And what is this region is? This region is so A intersection D intersection G, and this region is beyond A and G. This region is beyond A and G. So complement A and G complement here. There is also A intersection A intersection D intersection G. And this region is beyond A and D here. So A and D. This region is A and D because this is beyond the A and D. Now, what about this part? This region is. This region is also, you can say, A intersection D intersection and G, but it is beyond set D. So beyond the set D means you have to write down D complement. What about this part? This region is A intersection D intersection G. This is also beyond the set A. So this is a complement because A is not here. What about this? This region is A intersection D intersection G. This is also beyond the set G. So mark G complement. And this is the common region. This is A intersection D intersection G here. So by comparing this note, this region was has 0 students. Look at the diagram. There's 0 students. So we can say this is A intersection D intersection G, and this region is beyond D. So mark D here. No. So this you can say this is A intersection G intersection D complement or in any order, right? So the final answer is final. Write down the final answer. Final answer will be A intersection D intersection G D complement, or you can say A intersection D intersection G. Oh, sorry. In any order, you can write in any order. D may be here, no issue. G here, D complement here. Or you can write, suppose D complement intersection G intersection A. So this is the final answer for this part. Now, I hope you got the idea how to attempt in these questions in the simple way. So don't forget to subscribe this channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.